Canary Black.
This one we can just speed through it.
Never heard of her.
That's okay.
So
People who
female
pre-
taken.
Huh?
I'm saying this is female taken.
Pretty much.
No.
Mm-hmm.
Why does
Ray Stevenson is in this one, so I guess maybe this was
Yes.
his last project. I don't know.
Yeah, guessing R.I.P.
R.I.P. Yes.
Yeah, I'm guessing this might be his last project. Look, very generic. They even have the line, "It's one woman," or it's like how it's always says, "One man." How can we not catch him?
One man, one mission, one
best-
gun,
the
one
best whatever.
ETV.
She's the best in your organization or whatever.
Mm-hmm.
And I think they're missing the thing is like with a generic plot. The problem is that if you also have generic characters and dialogue